Thank you, Chairman, sir, and the member and presenters. So, I'm using the relics word, relics of Buddha, as well as the related Buddhist recipes and maybe the Bodhisattva also. Yes. You see, once the Buddha got the enlightenment, the Tapassu and Bhallik. So here the Tapassu and Bhallik, we provided food to Buddha, and that is made of barley and rice. In the return, they asked, or you can say the request, the Prince Siddhartha Buddha, we are going to our town, and the king is there, and you are enlightened. So how to prove that you are enlightened? And give some of the proof. Then Buddha took his hand, took some hair. I think there are actually 8 hairs. On that hair, the Swetagon pagoda is established, that is in the Rangoon. If somebody is there from Myanmar.
So not all the 8, not all the 8. Of the 8, some in Shuddhagon, some in Sri Lanka.
Maybe.
We have, yes.
That is the
Girihandasaya is where he deposited.
That is Colombo.
No.
No.
Of Trikamali, Eastern part.
Oh,
Very much is it that place.
oh, thank you for addition.
K. Siddhartha.
Thank you. Then after you see the passing away, this is the relics cascade, and those relics cascades is demonstrated in the different manner by the different rulers. Yes. And this is the Sanchi banner, the history of Kushinagar. On that Sanchi panel, they demonstrated, and what they demonstrated, there may be some bar for the distribution of relics, or otherwise it may be. Then all those 8 kings, they agree to distribute. The Sarnath is one of the example. The relics were put most probably here, and Samrat Asok think this might be the place where the Buddha gave in the first Dhammacakkavartan Sutta. That's why the Dhammek Stup came out. So this, the same way the servant tradition came out. In that servant tradition, you can see those relics put either by the government department. This is in the Delhi Museum, and this is one of the example of 8 parts division. So they in the Sanchi. And these are some of the names: Ajasastu, Lichavi, Sakyas, Gulis, Koli, Lipawa, and Mal of Kushinagar. So this is in the form of the modern type, the painting. Next. Now the Americans think when the relics have some power. Once the relics have some power, they collected the 10,000 Buddha relics. 10,000 Buddha relics might be known, but the Bodhisattva, maybe the monks, maybe other peoples, and this is in California, the same system. What Asoka did, these were the 9 Dhamma teachers. He sent to the Athens, same way to the East Burma, and Sri Lanka, of course, one of them.
The son and daughter.
Yes. So when the relics came, this is the panel of relics in the Sanchi, and many of the remains were taken to other countries. Yes. Dhampaji did lot of work. Lot of work not only for relics. Once the relics found in a particular place, he claimed on. Once he claimed, then the government of India, or you can say the government of British, they asked, you build the temple, we will provide you the relics. And these relics moved to the Lucknow Museum, and this is in the Patna Museum, these relics in the Kolkata, these relics belong to the Buddha Gaya. Next. So this is the Bhatti Porolu. Bhatti Porolu, this is a relics, you see the pagoda, original. And this relics pagoda, when it is found, Dhampaji claim the Nava Mool Gundu Kati Vihar. This you can see in the Sarnath now, in building. and many of the students from the Vietnam, Thailand, Myanmar, Mahabodhi Society is there. I am also helping the Mahabodhi Society with those. When you see the Pakistan, 14 places are identified. Pakistan, nobody is here from Pakistan. They are taking lot of grant
Yeah.
in the name of Buddha and Buddhist relics.
Yeah.
And you see the Takte Bai, Taksala, Mingora and Swat. These are four are one of important places. Besides these 14 are. In same way the Afghanistan. Afghanistan also having the number of places. Only 80% of the Muslim population and after the number of groups are there. And about 20,000, 10,000, no, 20,000 in the Buddhist in Pakistan, 10,000 Buddhists are in Afghanistan. They are the resident. But you see, unless we support, we means as a Buddhist, either you from adjoining part, maybe from the western, maybe from the eastern. So the beside this the Afghanistan relics are there. This is in the Cambodia, bottom. Bangladesh also having the Bandarban hills. They also kept the pagoda. Next. Same way the China having the finger relics. So the finger relics they put in Cambodia, Japan. This is the Nara place. The same way in the Korea. The Mongolian people, they did not disclose. They have the relics, but maybe due to internal problem, maybe due to some other problem, they did not disclose. The same way the Laos and Malaysia, of course, Yangon I already. The other relics you have already pointed out. Kandy is one of the best example for the tooth. Then the Thailand also having the relics there. That tooth came, you see the very precise item. Because many of those people's dacoits and they were ready to thieve those things. Then this princess, she put the tooth in the hair and took to the Sri Lanka. This is from the, you see the Ganga Ramaya temple. These are the places. And beside the relics, you can see the form of the Bodhi tree, what you already mentioned, came. Of course, the Kuni Sangh also came with the Sanghamitra. The Sanchi relics. So what the British people is doing, whenever they find relics, they move to the London Museum. Yes. And after London Museum, the present government, you can say the modern government, in 1954, first Prime Minister Kilim, then only the Sanchi Stup and new Buddha Vihar is built, and out of that Buddha, now the relics of Sariput and Moggalian Put, the last Sunday of November every year, they expose. So thank the Ipo's, thank the Sri Lankans to establish the Buddhist flag. Why I put that's the Alport, Venerable Sir, the other peoples, Alport as well as any Besant, they help. And the another Dhampal with the Vivekananda, they you see the revive Buddhism not only in Sri Lanka but in India. Very and this is the last slide. Many of the Western peoples, they mix the yoga.
Yeah, so
photograph,
many things. Yeah.
Very well. Nothing to tell. So what they are doing, they are mixing the beer with the yoga. That is, I think, highly dangerous
Yeah.
for the Dhamma activity. Thank you
Yeah.
very much.